fun recipe. It is a plant-based brownie. Who does not love a brownie? It's probably my favorite dessert. Brownies with a little bit of ice cream is hands down maybe my very favorite dessert. Yeah. And so I'm always interested in, there's lots of ways to make dessert recipes a little bit healthier. And there's lots of great recipes out there to make a brownie a little bit healthier. But
Absolutely.
we want to share one with you that Jill has found, made a lot, tried and true. She loves it, it's easy, and just a healthier version of one of our indulgences. So I am going to follow directions here and let you take over.
Okay, she's gonna be my sous chef
I
today.
am.
So one of my favorite blogs is Food52, and so I have several of their cookbooks. So this one is just a vegan, just a plant-based cookbook, and this is where the brownie recipe came from.
Great.
So we're gonna get started, and I can tell you, no one will know. My son eats these, and I don't even tell him that there's no.
Oh, you cannot.
There's
tell.
no
They're
animal
delicious.
byproducts in here. So, okay, so let's do. We got the oven preheated to 350.
Yep.
Right.
Check.
Okay, so in a small bowl, we need to whisk. Oh, we already did that. So we whisk together the flaxseed and some lukewarm water. So you see how it's kind of thick. This is going to act as our egg. So it's a binding agent, and plus it's really good for you.
Yeah, so for an egg, you can do a tablespoon of flax and 2 tablespoons of warm water, and that equals 1 egg, right? In a recipe. So if you wanted to have make something vegan and not use egg in it, or let's say you didn't have any egg, that's happened to me a few times.
Absolutely.
I know this trick, and so I've done that.
Okay, so we've got that going in a large bowl. So this is our bowl. You're gonna put your flour in. So we have 1.5 cups of flour.
Okay.
We have 1.5 cups of sugar.
All right.
So we're gonna put that in. And then cocoa powder.
All right. Is that a half cup?
Cocoa powder, yes. 1/2 cup of cocoa powder.
Okay.
All right, so I need a teaspoon of baking powder.
Teaspoon of baking powder. Got it.
And then,
Okay.
and then we're gonna need 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
Okay. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay.
And then we're gonna be adding a tablespoon of instant espresso.
Right now?
Yes,
Tablespoon?
tablespoon. So this just actually enhances and it kind of makes the chocolate flavor much richer, right? I mean, it's gonna add depth to the chocolate flavor.
I have a recipe that uses this, and it really does. I mean, it doesn't taste like coffee. It just
Right. This is not you're not gonna taste this and taste coffee. Okay, so we're gonna whisk that together.
Okay, got it. I can handle that.
Okay, and so actually I'll start doing that.
Okay.
And then in this bowl here, we're going to add the let's see here. We've got 1 1/4 cups of a non-dairy milk.
Okay, so this is almond milk. I just did the unsweetened almond milk.
Okay. And then we need, after that, we need 1/2 cup of canola oil.
All right, so I measured that out already. 1/2 cup of canola oil.
And then let's see, what else do we have in here? Oh, vanilla. So we need 2 teaspoons of a vanilla extract.
Okay, do I have that?
Yeah, right here. That little guy right
Oh
there.
yeah, 2 teaspoons in here.
Yep.
Okay.
This smells good.
I can smell that cocoa powder.
Okay.
All right.
So now
We can make it work.
do you think we're gonna make this work?
We'll give it a whirl.
We're trying to decide if we need a bigger bowl or not.
But we like this bowl. So let's
Let's
try it.
Okay. So you're gonna actually add the liquid.
You're gonna make me make a mess?
Hold on a second. Almost forgot. Add this to this.
Okay, got it.
And I'm thinking maybe just whisk that together a little bit.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Got it.
You're such a good assistant.
Thank you. Okay, I follow directions quite well, actually. Believe it or not. And I give them well, too. All right.
Okay.
Start pouring in here
So
and mix
start
it.
pouring, yes.
All right.
And then we're gonna add the chocolate chips. And it says to go ahead and add those. So we've got,
Oh yeah, this bowl should be good, actually.
yeah. So we've got some non-dairy chocolate chips that we're gonna add.
Okay.
Just 1/2 cup.
All right. And
It says to add it now,
All
so
right.
I'm adding it now.
brownies.
Okay. Oh boy, it smells
I know,
delicious.
I could just like eat the batter.
Okay, so
I guess it's good because there's no raw eggs. You could eat the batter, but you could.
oh, you could.
I know.
Ooh, I like that. It calls for a half a cup of walnuts, and unfortunately, I forgot the walnuts. So we have pecans.
But I actually even like that better.
So we're gonna sprinkle those in there.
All right.
Mix that up.
It's just looking like the best brownie batter ever.
Smells good. All right, so then I'm gonna take an 8x8 pan, and I'm just going to spray it with some coconut oil.
I think this is nice and mixed.
Okay.
We ready to put it in there?
Then you're just gonna pour it in.
All right, I can handle that. Get my spatula here so I can get all the yumminess off the sides. Okay.
And then all you're gonna do is bake in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes, and you're gonna test it by, taking a toothpick and testing the middle to make sure that it's set. So we're gonna go ahead and get this popped in the oven, and then we'll be right back with the finished product.
Sounds great.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got everything cleaned up, and I believe the brownies are done.
They look perfect. I'll get a toothpick. Let me see how these look.
They smell so good.
I mean, look at that. Those really, let's see here. Perfect.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, this looks so
So here
amazing.
you go. I mean, these are brownies. I don't even like calling them a vegan brownie or a plant-based brownie because they're just brownies, and they are absolutely delicious. You won't miss the egg.
Yeah.
I mean, really, that's the only thing that's in a brownie that's
Well,
that's dairy. Oh,
yeah.
and the milk. I mean,
Right.
milk. So it's it's an almond milk that we
Yeah.
put in there.
Right.
You're not gonna miss it. I promise you. So
Give them a
that's
try.
what- yep.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Make sure that you hit the big red subscribe button. I don't know if it's on this side or this side, but please
On that side.
on this side subscribe to just keep up with us, keep tabs on us.
Yeah,
on
and
some
we'll
new
put the recipe
recipe below.
below.
All right.
Have a great day.
Bye.